We are supplying so many different industries now with these industries such as oil and gas, automotive, aerospace, you name it, we are supplying these machines into.
Graham, VICIVISION, part of the Carfullen Group.
Yeah.
What are the products? What do they do?
VICIVISION supply 2D optical measuring equipment, primarily for the shaft measurement industry, cylindrical components. Although saying that, dental implants, anything that's non-cylindrical, you can possibly do on a Vici machine as well.
Okay, now I'm going to press the button and we're going to start this one. This is a perfect example, isn't it? You're just basically going up the shaft and taking the dimensions all the way out. Is that how it works?
Absolutely. So where we go up and down on the shaft, it's a 2D measurement, looking at the profile of the component. But as you can see at the moment, the machine is doing some form of rotational scans. And the reason for doing that, because companies may be looking for run out of the components as well. So not just X and Y, but you're actually getting a full 3D run out capability with the machine.
Okay, sliding head parts would be perfect for this.
100% perfect. We're doing a lot of work with sliding head companies at the moment. And these are absolutely perfect for quality rooms or on the shop floor.
And it's the speed to me. It's the speed that's just
Absolutely.
measured that. How else would you do it? How else would you get the dimensions that you've just measured if you didn't do it like that?
Traditional methods a long time. As you see, the routine that's literally run through in a few seconds will give you a dimensional report on all the features you require from a drawing.
Okay, it's quite compact as well, isn't it? This particular unit.
Sure.
Walk us through the range of products that Vici offer.
If you're looking for a small pin, and the pin might be a few millimetres in size, right up to 240 millimetres in diameter. So we go from very, very small to very, very large. Up to around about 1200 in length.
Okay, the usability of them, the installation, getting it to do what it's actually doing,
Sure.
how simple is that?
It has self-programming built into the machine software, or if you want to do some editing yourself or some program generation, you can either on the machine or offline, back at your laptop, back in your office.
Is there any potential issues with the optics though? Maybe something getting in the way of it, or if the part's got contamination on the surface?
Yeah, so there's two things. As general practice, we all advise customers just to give the part a quick blowdown. However, if there's still ingress on the part, the machine has filtering capability, so we can completely ignore any form of ingress on the component.
Okay, and how well are you doing with these, Graham?
Absolutely exceptionally well. We are supplying so many different industries now with these industries such as oil and gas, automotive, aerospace, you name it, we are supplying these machines into.